Getting back on. This is a new business. Yes, sir. School started. No, results are not out now. Fast. Yes, nice marks. Yes. Okay, so when is your school starting? Third. What's your name? Sit down, sit down. Okay, so take that election time. It's the first lecture for you. This is the first day for you. We had a lecture. We had a lecture on. We had a lecture on Monday. We started with a rational and irrational numbers, some part. We had given some work to them to do. How many questions I given to you? 5. 5 questions. 4 questions were given. Did you get these volumes to you? So we generally do from the volume. Okay. Same thing only from here. Homework is done. Yes, your answers got. Yes. No problem. You are getting the answer. Yes, sir. You also got the answer. All answers good. There is no doubt. 5 by 1. How many numbers you have to get from 1 to 5 and 8? 3, 4. 3 numbers from 5 and 8. 4. 4. So. So I had a doubt in the first one. So it was the rational, so it's the rational number between 1 and 2. So we can put it in fraction form and do it or in the form. Any
so we can do the points of the 1.1.
You want to do fraction form? You can do in decimal form. You can. Okay. If in fraction form means 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, etc. Even is decimal form. Sorry, that is a decimal form. Fraction form. If you want to, how many numbers you wanted? 7. 7. So when multiply and divide by 8. 1 by 8. So this is coming as 8 upon 8. And second one is what? 2 now. 2 can produce 2 into 8 upon 8. That is equal to 16 upon 8. So 8 by 8 are less than 16 by 8. So which are the numbers? 9 by 8. 10 by 8, 11 upon 8, 12. Okay, so or decimal means decimal form. Okay, so you did not bring the notebook. Bring the notebook. That is it. So this is the last class we were discussing about find the rational number into rational numbers. This must be done in previous class also. Previous class, 7th or 6th or something. So this type of questions not done. Not much. Okay. So this is the first one error. Now, what are rational numbers? Do you know what are rational numbers? Rational numbers. A number of the form A upon B, where A and B are integers and B is not equal to. Okay, A upon B, any number of the form A by B, fraction, where A and B are integers and B is not equal to 0. And rational number, we wrote now rational number can be represented in 2 different ways. Which are 2 different ways? One is fraction, and second one is decimal form. Did you write or not this one? Yes, sir. Okay. Understood or not? Here. No. Okay. Listen. 3 upon 5. Is it a rational number?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it is which form? Fraction. P by Q form, fraction form. How will you write it in decimal form? 3.5. Decimal
0.6.
0.6. How did you 0.6? You can make the denominator as 10. So how do you make the denominator as 10? That is equal to 6 by 10, which is equal to 0.6. Or divide again. Okay, understood or not? That is called the decimal form. Now, look here. So this is equal. If it is 5 upon 3, rational number? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is its decimal form?
1.66.
So you have to divide and check, isn't it? 5 divided by 3. So it is coming at 1,
1.6.
18, again 20. So 666. So it is 1.666 is coming, that is called 1.6 recurring. So this is called terminating decimal. This is called non-terminating recurring. So every rational, so the property I am going to once again enter. If it is a rational number, it is of the form A upon B or P upon B. Okay, that is called its fraction form. The same thing you can write in decimal form. If it is decimal, it is either it is terminating or it is non-terminating recurring. Okay, not stop, non-terminating, non-terminating recurring. Are you followed? So every rational number is either a terminating decimal or non-terminating recurring. Now, the question is asked, with the, see, these are encountered with division now. Suppose if it is given us like this way, a number is coming as, let's say as 25 divided by, let's say 28. Is it a terminating or non-terminating recurring?
So it is a terminating.
How do you know?
Sir, by dividing it.
Dividing, so you have to divide and check now without division.
The denominator is bigger than the numerator.
We want denominator, see, shield is on 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is a terminating. No, she's starting dividing, and you don't need to divide. Dividing is the wrong way, na? Okay. So I'm going to tell the technique what is the way to identify without division. First thing, check, is there any common between these two? Cancellation is there? No, nothing, no.
No.
That will not go with, this will go with 5, this will not go with 5. So that's all. Okay. Next is take the denominator 28. Okay. You know prime factorization?
Yes.
Do you know what are prime numbers?
Yes.
What are prime numbers?
2,
2, 4. 4 is
3, 5.
what are prime numbers? Numbers with which are divisible by 1 and itself. They are called prime numbers. 2 is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, 3 again. 4 no, because 4 is divisible by 2 also. Okay, 5 is a
7.
Only one even prime number. Which is the even prime number? 2. 2 is the only one even. Which is the least prime number? 2 is the least prime. Okay. Now, so this one. Do you know what are composite numbers?
Yes. Which have 2. Which can be divisible by other.
More than 2 factors. Prime number contains only 2 factors. Composite number means more than 2 factors. Which is the least composite number?
4.
4 is the least composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, so there are, if you take the natural number, there are 3 categories. 1, neither prime nor composite. Then prime numbers with exactly 2 factors means divisible by 1 and 2. Then the other one is composite. Okay. Now prime factorization we are going to do. So 28 when you do prime factorization, so what we get here? 2s are 1 to 4. 2s are 7.
7.
So therefore 28 can written as 2 square into 7. Okay. Now you got. Now what are the factors of 28? Prime factors of 28. Check now. Prime factors of 28 are 2 and 7. What are the factors of 28 means 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 7 is a factor, 14 is a factor, 28 is a factor. What are the prime factors means 2 and 7. Now, so first step we check, is there any common factor between them? If any common factor, you have to cancel them. After cancelling them, then means simplified form. Simplest form you make, take the denominator and factorize. Now the important rule. If the denominator has factors of 2 or 5, then it is terminating. If it contains some other factors, then it is non-terminating recurring. I repeat, if the denominator has factors of 2 or 5, then it is, I will make you to repeat. I will put it. If the denominator has factors of 2 or 5 only, then it is terminating decimal. If it contains some other factors other than 2 or 5, then it is non-terminating recurring. Now, is it terminating or non-terminating recurring?
It is terminated.
How? Which
It
are?
is
Check now, what are the factors of this one? 2 and 7. If it contains 2 only, terminating. If it contains 5 only, terminating. If it contains 2 and 5 only, terminating. If it contains some other factor other than 2 or 5, recurring. See, only 2 and 5 only? No, 7 is there, so it is recurring. Are you followed? I will write the factor. Suppose it is coming as 7 upon 2 cube. Another one, 83 upon 2 cube into 5 square. 21 upon 5 cube. 69 upon 2 cube into 3 into 5. First one. What type of number? Terminating denominators to only. Second one. Terminating. Third one. Terminating. Fourth one. Recurring because denominator 3 is. But it is not recurring. You know why?
because
No. Now, so what is the first thing here, reject? You have to reduce in the simplest form. Okay, if a rational number, if it is the simplest form, if you cannot, suppose if you cannot cancel them, carry it in this way. Suppose if it was there 67 upon 2 cube times 3 times 5. So now cancellations, it is simple. Okay, so what is the meaning? Denominator has factors of 2 or 5. Do you know what is the meaning of 2 or 5? It can be 2 only, it can be 5 only, it can be both 2 and 5. Then it is terminating. The if contains some other factors other than 2 or 5. Means 2 are there or 5, but any other factor other than 2 or 5, then it is recurring. Okay, so right now, when if a rational number is in the simplest form. A rational number is in the simplest form. You know what is the meaning of simplest form?
Yes, sir.
Without common factors other than. Okay. Simplest form below 1. There are 2 conditions. 1. If the denominator has factors of 2 or 5 only. If the denominator has factors of 2 or 5 only. Then the rational number is a terminating decimal. Factors of 2 or 5 only. Then the rational number is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Second, all of you wrote now?
Yes, sir.
Second, if the denominator has factors other than 2 or 5. Other than 2 or 5. Then the rational number is non-terminating recurring. Recurring. Terminating recurring. What is the meaning of recurring? Repeating. Okay. So first thing is check common factor is there. Yes. So that is the question number 5 in your question. Told you. Take exercise 1.1. What is the question? Page number 5. Page 5.
Question number
5. Read. No, read.
Without doing any actual division, find which of the following rational number have terminating decimal interpretation.
Okay. What is the first question?
7/16.
7 upon 16. So take 6, 7. Now, is there any common factor between them?
No.
No. So 16 factorize. Factors of 16 find out. Factorization do it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
2s are 8. 2s are 4. 2s are 2s
Four
are
times.
2 times 2 raised to 4. Okay.
It is
So right. So the denominator has factors of 2 only. Therefore, it is terminating decimal. Denominator has factors of 2 only. Therefore, it is terminating decimal. Therefore, it is terminating decimal.
yes.
Okay. Same way. Next. What is it? 23.
23/125.
Okay, factorize 120. No common factor. 125 factorize.
5.
5 is taken means 2, 5. 5 is taken means 5. 5 is taken means 1. So 125 is equal to 5 cube.
It is also terminating.
So denominator has factors of 5 only, therefore it is terminating decimal. Denominator has factors of 5 only. Therefore it is terminating decimal.
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay. Third one. 9 upon 14. No?
Yes, sir.
No cancellation. Again, 14 directly you can write. No need to show this step. 2 times 7. So what did you write?
It is non-terminating.
So you write denominator has factor other than 2 and 5. Denominator has factor other than 2 and 5. Therefore, non-terminating recurring. Denominator has factor other than 2 and 5. Non-terminating. Same way, next one. Fourth one.
32/45.
32 upon 45. Factorize. What the factor? 3 square into 5 now.
Yes.
3 square. Answer.
It is non-terminating.
Non-terminating. Non-terminating recurring. So you'll write statement denominator has factors other than 2 or 5. Factors other than 2 and 5. So now terminating that of the property now. Clear for you. Okay. Done. The following now. Next, okay, that is the question number 5. That percentage of decimal number. You know how to do it? Divide and make it now. All of you do. Should I do it? You do it. You can do now? You do it. Not make mistake.
So we have to state it as a terminating or
You make it to the form. Terminating is terminating form you will get. Recurring is recurring form you will get. No need to state. Division do it. Yes, do long division do that way doing it. You can 0.2 direct change it. You can do it over here, not in. Without that, you can do it. Yes. 2/7, not make mistake.
do it.
It's not important that you have to show the division, okay? But no mistake. Who got? First one you got so fast. How much?
0.1.
That's wrong. This is wrong. Both are wrong. Division stop. Hello. 40, 20 minus 14 is 7. So wrong. 0.20 means 2s are 40, 6, 60, 8, 56,
0.285.
285 is on. This man is again telling. Then 5, 35 is over or what? 5, there is no repeating. 50, 7, 49, 1, 10, still not come. 1s are 7, 3, 30, 4, 28. Where recurring, you have to find out till where. 2, 20. Yes, now repeating.
So we have to under it's not divisible.
Yes, under divisible. See, till where. So now see it's come.
It is again recurring.
So what is your answer? 2/7 is equal to 0.85714. 2 is not there, no? 2 is already started. Recurring. 2 is again it is repeating. No, nobody will. People also says we'll do.
So next one.
Next one, all of you do it. Yes. Without mistake, you have to do, okay?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. 3 minutes I'll give. How many questions are there? 1, 2, 3. Or 2.
Yeah.
This got in time over.
Just
Done. Done. Got it?
See, up to the second one.
Hmm.
I got 0.6.
Mistake, problem. Got both. You got 3, both.
sir, second, for the second one, I got 0.615382.
Yes, sir. You also got 6. That means only 615384 only.
It's recurring.
After that, check the recurring. Pakka.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one.
the next one 0.20. Sir, I was just
2.8 and 3 is recurring. 2.83 is transport, 3 is recurring.
2.83. 3 is recurring. Not getting.
I didn't get the word.
Second one you got now. I don't need to divide and show. Should I show 8 upon 30? Pakka. I think there is a mistake. What is the answer behind this? You know, answer is Q. Do you know what is that? Not here. End of the chapter. End of the chapter. Yes. Same answer got? Yes. Okay. Okay, then read the third one. What is the third answer question?
5 upon 20.
5 upon 24 now.
Yes.
24. So 0.50 means 2. 48. Remainder 2.
yes, sir.
0.
0.208.
200. Okay. 8 up. So 1, 9, 2 now.
Yes, sir.
8 up.
80.
18. 3 up. How much? 72. 8.
Again, sir, it would be
80. So answer is coming as 5 upon 24 is equal to 0.208. 3 is recurring. Only 3 is recurring.
just you were saying
So I think the situation correct, but why writing it that?
Teacher will check this only, not there. Okay, be careful. Okay, okay, no problem. So that also is done. That was question number which one? 6. 6 is done. Okay, 7 to. Express each of the following as a rational number in the form of A upon B. First one is what?
0.53 and there is a
Dot is on the top.
yes.
Okay. Look. Let me. I did not explain. In the previous class we studied about
Those are
listen carefully. I want to write in the rational number A upon B. A upon B means in the fraction form. This is decimal form. What is the meaning of this one?
7 is
Recurring. That means if I take x means 0.7777, how many times is there? How many sevens are there? One of
infinite.
infinite. You cannot count now. So one. Okay, this is condition. Now look. After the decimal, how many digits are repeating? One only. How many digits? One digit only repeating. Suppose if I write this way, 0.37 bar. What is the meaning? 0.37, 37, 37, 37, going on now.
Yes.
Here how many digits are repeating? 2. Here how many digits are repeating? 1. If it is 1 repeating means multiply by 10. This is multiplying. Okay.
70 and 4.
By 10. Multiplying by 10 means what you get? 10x. This is equal to 1 decimal will move that side. So what we get? 7.777. It is good. And you followed what you done? Multiply this by 10. So that means x become 10x. This 1 decimal is moved. This much is clear?
Yes.
Now check. After the decimal, what is it? After this decimal, what is it? 7, 7, 7, 7. After this decimal, what is it? 7. That means both are same. If I subtract means that will go. Same thing minus same thing will go 0. So what you do means we will subtract 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? 10x. This is what it is, not 2 minus. Equation 2 minus. What is 10x minus x? 9x is equal to 7 minus 0, 7. This is gone everything now.
Yes.
So x is equal to 7 and 1. Are you followed?
Yes.
Somewhat little confusion. Now I'll show this one. Here you see. 0.37 bar. X is equal to what? 0.373737 condition. How many digits are repeating? 2. So what you have to multiply? 10. 1 digit means 10. 2 digit means 100. 3 digit means 1000. So we will multiply by 100. Multiplying by 100. What will you get multiplying by 100? 100x. This will go 37.3737. That is condition 2. Is also is got it now?
Yes.
Okay.
100 minus
So,
x.
then we can subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. What does it give? 100 minus x is what? 99x. 37 minus 0 is how many? Therefore, x is equal to.
37.99.
Are you followed or not? Sure.
Yes.
Third time I am going to show. What does it mean?
7.
X is equal to 2.3777. Only 7 only repeating, isn't it? Okay, look here. Is an additional one. Here you see, in this case, everything was repeating. Here also everything was repeating. 37, 37, 37. Whereas here 1, 3 is not repeating now. So first I have to bring this 3 to here. So how do you get? Multiply by 10. So multiply by 10. So when you multiply by 10, this will come as how much? 10x is equal to how much you will get? 23.777, etc. That is condition 2. If you are, can you subtract this one? No. See, is it same thing? No. So now how many places repeating? How many digits is repeating? Only 1. So again multiply by 10. So what will you get here? 10 into 10, 100x is equal to, one more place will go, 237.777. This equation. Now which 2 subtract? 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3. Which one to subtract?
3 and 2.
3 and 2. 3 and 1 subtracting, it will not same thing. See, after decimal 7 subtract. So what you get? 3 minus 2, which gives, what does it give? 100 minus 10 is what? 90. X is equal to 237 minus 23. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1. 4. X is equal to 214 divided by 90. Are you followed?
Yes.
Different types I have shown. Are you following or not? If you have followed, I am going to make you to do this one. No.
Sir,
Ah.
here we have to show it in a simplest form, or we can leave it.
You can cancel simplest form, you write it. Okay, but till making it's important. Okay, should I show again?
Yes,
All three types here followed.
sir.
First thing is what you reject.
First you have to
Any digit is without repeating is there after decimal. If it is there, bring it back left side. If not, means directly. One digit repeating means multiply by 10. Two digit repeating means 100. Three digit repeating means 1000. Hope you have followed now. Right, sure. Okay, so let's take exercise question. What is the first question? 5-3, both are repeating.
only 3 and
So 5-3. So first step you will write x is equal to 0.5333. Condition one. What is the next step to be done?
next step you have to multiply by 10.
10. Multiplying by 10. When you multiply by 10, what do you get? 10x. 10x now is equal to 5.3333 square. Condition 2. Now what is to be done?
Now we have to multiply it.
Again by 10 because repetition is okay. So again, x means multiplying only. Okay, so write in words by 10. So when you multiply by 10, what do you get?
We will get 3.33.
So 100x
Yes, sir.
is equal to 53.3333 square. Condition 3. Got this also?
Yes, sir.
Now what you have to do?
Have to subtract.
From where? 3 minus 3 minus 2. Equation 3 minus equation. Which gives 100 minus 10 is 90. X is equal to 53 minus 9, 48. X is equal to 48 upon 90. You can reduce. What you can cancel? 6 now.
Yes, sir.
3 also has 6 also.
Six, sir.
So 6 cancel, 6 8s are 650. 6 equal to 8 upon 50.
Yes.
Anna? Hope you have followed now.
Yes, sir.
Sure, you can do it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then try the other one. In the next one, what is repeating there?
27.
Okay, so you first 2 and 7. So first. So I'm not going to write the step, you will write. Okay, first step only write 0.227272727. What is the first step to be done?
Multiply by 100.
Wrong. How many places are without repeating? Only one place is without repeating now. So multiplying by 10. Multiplying by 10. So what will you get? 10x is equal to 2.272727, etc. Condition 2. Now what is to be done? Multiply by 100. Yes, very good. By 100. So what will you get? 100 into 10,000x. The left side is what? 1000x now.
Yes, sir.
227.272727, etc. Condition 3. Now you have to subtract what? 3 minus 2, which gives 100 minus 10 is how much? 990x. Is equal to 227 minus 2 is 225. X is equal to 225 divided by 9. You cancel
By
5, you can cancel 9, you can cancel tradition. I cancel first is 9s are 25, 9s are 5s are
5
22. Check.
Yes.
First you cancel with what? You cancel 5. 5 means 45. 45 upon 1. 1. When you give 140. 190, no? 190.
Yes, sir.
No? Got it? Okay. So all of you know the next one? You will do?
Yes.
What is repeating here?
104.
Once. Do. Let's see. Not getting? Should I show?
Yes, sir.
225 upon 990. What did you cancel? 5. 5 4s are 22. 45. 5 1s are remainder 4. 49 means 5 9s are again 4. 8 1 9. Okay. Now if you are cancelling 9 5s are 9 2s are 18. Remainder 1 9. For the next one,
Yes.
or not getting?
Yes.
Correct, right. So x is equal to 0.2104 104 etc. This is the
So
condition.
I got x is equal to 2102 upon 999.
So first you have to multiply by what?
10.
Multiply by 10. So what did you get? 10x is equal to 2.104 etc. Condition. Now what to multiply by?
100.
9,000.
1000.
So 1000 into 10 is 10,000 x. That is 2104 point 104. Condition 3. Then what do you have to do? Subtract 3 minus 2, which is 10,000 minus 10, 9,990 x is equal to 2102.
Which would give
X is equal to 2102 upon 9990. You cancel means 1 0 now
105
5 1 divided by 4 9 5. Yes. Check, be careful little. Okay. Next one is what?
next one is 3.5. 2 is recurring.
2 is recurring.
Yes.
Okay, so that you can do now. All of you do it. It's easy. Do it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
X equal to 3.5222. What you have to do multiplying by 10. So what do you get? 10x. 35.2222 is going on.
Again,
Condition. Now what you have to multiply by? Again 100 or 2? 10.
10.
So multiplying by 10. So what do you get? 100 is equal to 352.2222 is going on. Now you have to subtract 3 minus 2, which gives 100 minus 10 is 90x. 352 minus that is 317.
Upon 90.
X is equal to 317 divided by 90. Now
90, sir.
90 only.
90.
90. 100 minus 10. 100. Okay. Now tell me how to write 3.52 in fraction form.
352 upon 100.
Directly, okay. Directly, no recurring means directly 352 upon 100 and cancel. That is it. Then
Yes.
next question. What is the next question says?
Find the decimal representation of 1 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. Assume from the decimal representation of 1 upon 7 without actual calculation, the decimal representation of 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, and 6 by 7.
So find out what is it. First you find out 1 by 7 how much. Divide 1 by 7. Find out what is 1 by 7. Division. Long division. Got it?
That's it. So 0.142857.
Got it?
Yes.
1428, no?
It's 1428577 1. One with command the speaker in 1 minute. So 0.142857.
7 1 how it is? 7 is it 7 only, no? Again 1 is going on now. 1 is so 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857. 1 is again coming now 1 7. So this means it's enough. Find out 2 by 7. Okay, now check find out 2 by 7. Divide and see how much you get. Please unpick. Check now, further it is there, no? Check. 5 7 is our recurring is coming. 0.285714. No. Then only it is coming to 4.
It is 0.285714.
14.
Yes.
Now look here. If I look this one, 142857 multiply by 2, what will you get? 7 2s are
14.
14, 5 2s are 11, 2 8s are 16, 17, 2 2s are 5, 4 2s are.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So what will be 3 by 7? Is equal to 3 into 1 by 7 now.
Yes, sir.
That is equal to how much? 3. Same thing, 0.3 into 0.142857. Multiply and see how much you'll get this. Just multiply this only, nothing, recurring it will come. Same way 4 by 7, 5 by 7. You have to find out all now.
Yes, sir.
7 3s are 21.
7 5 are 70. Then 3 8s are 25. 0.428757. Now again by 4.
Now look, all difference. You look here, same digits only. Now 4 by 7, do you know how to get? Into 4. Where it is starting now? 4 into 1 by 7. You can directly also you can write. Wait a minute. 4 into 14, 5, 5 now. So 5 means 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8. If you want to check, you can check. 6 by 7, 5 by 7.
7 1 4.
So only get 14 into 5 no? So 7.
7 1
7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5. Hope you getting?
Yes, sir.
What
So we
is-
have to just take the
and one and it's rotating. Rotation is going. 6 by 7.
6 by 7 now
8 now.
8.
So 8, 5, 7, 1, 4. Hope you got it.
Yes, sir. Just a second.
My mama is calling now. You're not supposed to. Okay. But it's keep it in the bag only, na? What is this? Check.
Yes, sir.
Next, done now. So what is the next one?
Arrange minus 5 upon 9 7 5 12 minus
In
5.
ascending order. You know how to arrange in ascending order?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of ascending order?
Sir, descending.
Descending order. Descending order. So this is big to small. So what is to be done? LCM of what all things?
9 12 3 and 18.
LCM of 9, 12, 3, 18. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Mention. Kind of.
I thought that we.
What, are your time getting over? Tell, fast, then we'll stop.
uh,
36.
36. These are 9, 18, 36.
36. Okay, this we'll do in the next class, okay? You'll take that. Looking at homework exercise you complete. This homework exercise now, remaining all the questions do it, whatever not done. Okay?
So last one we will.
If you can do it, do it. If you can't do it, don't do it. Okay. Chalo, bye.
Bye.
See you in the next class.
Yeah, good everything.
Science ICSE.
करतोय तू मोबाईल मध्ये बंद कर आता काम कर परत. तुला उशीर होईल
पुढे गेला.
8:45 झाला म्हणून आता तो खाली असेल.
पाठव लवकर वरती.